Alright guys, so this is a new one for OneDrive, but this is on the desktop version of OneDrive. I'm going to try and make these videos as short and as quick as possible so you can jump in, learn what you need to learn, and jump straight out. So when you log into OneDrive on your PC, this is the free version of OneDrive I'm using. So I only have 5 gigabytes. As you can see down here, it says 0 bytes used of 5 gigabytes. Now I do have a folder here and a personal vault. This folder here, because I use this Microsoft account for my Xbox, I used to save videos here, but let's jump past that for now. So on the left here, you can see your name at the very top there. Just under that, you'll have My Files. So this is where you load to in OneDrive by default. So as soon as you open OneDrive and log in, this is where it takes you. Recents, this is going to have the most recent files uploaded and opened. Photos is going to have clearly the photos and videos that you have there as well. Under that, you're going to have shared. Now, this is going to be all the files and folders shared with you by someone else using OneDrive. So, for example, if my sister sends me a piece of coursework she's doing that she wants me to check it, this will show up here. And finally, we have recycle bin. And that's just going to be where all your junk is going to be put. So after you delete something from the main drive, this is where it's going to go. Now down here, it's going to ask you to go premium, but again, 5 gigabytes is going to be more than enough for most people, especially if they're only using it for documents. Okay, so let me go back to My Files. This is going to be the default location of where you load into OneDrive. I particularly don't like this view because I like to see the details of my files and folders, when they were created, who created it, what the file size is. So I'm going to go over here to the right hand side, and I'm going to click on where it says View, and from the drop down list I'm going to select Compact List or List. I think List is just as good as Compact List, so if I choose Compact List, it doesn't change much, so I'm going to leave it on List. Now when your drive gets very populated, you can sort it just like you can in Windows 10 or in any version of Windows or any operating system actually. And to do that, you click on Sort, and you sort it how you want to sort it. Most people do by name. Some people do by ascending or descending. Again, that's going to be name. However, some people do by date modified. So the last time it was edited, the most recent thing will be at the top. The most recent thing you've edited or opened will be at the top. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to upload folders and create folders as well.